So how do we figure out where our competition offers value and where we offer value? Because I'm guessing to create value, we need to go beyond the rest of our competition.
So one of the ways in which you can look at competition is not in comparing what you're offering to what your competition is offering. The best way to study competition is to look at it as a system between your target audience and the competition. And as your target audience is interacting with the competition, there are some desired effects that are happening, and that's why your competition is in business. But there are also undesired effects, because every system creates desired effects and undesired effects. And if you carefully analyze, if you carefully gather all these undesired effects that your target audience is experiencing with your competition, and these are all chronic, they're living with it, they're living with that mediocrity. If you gather all of those and then start engineering your products and services to meet, match, and surpass all these undesired effects, now you have a product and a service which is distinct from what your competition is offering. And then once you present that to your customers in a very elegant way without making your competition wrong, just go out there and say, hey, listen, we have this product and service for you, and these are the 7 things that we have identified, which are of value to you. Why don't you try our product and service? Let's talk. Chances are that the target audience will want to switch from your competition to you. So if you take your competitor head on, feature for feature, you're going to end up with a Me Too product or service. And a Me Too product or service will never get you far. But if you start looking at what are the undesired effects that your target audience is experiencing with your competitors, and gather all of those and then create innovations to solve all those chronic undesired effects, the customers will switch. And that's the way to work with this whole competitive advantage thing.